Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by using your school email to claim Azure for students. This gives free credits and key services. Once signed up, verify your identity and immediately redeem the student offer so you know your credit limit and expiration date. Next, install Azure CLI on your machine and sign in, because command line access speeds tasks and scripting. Make sure to set a default subscription and resource group, so every resource you create is organized from the first command. Now provision the core resources you need. First, create a resource group and choose a region close to you to cut latency and often cost. Once done, deploy a virtual machine or an app service, selecting a SKU that fits within student credits. Lightweight instances are usually enough for projects and demos. Configure networking, set network security group rules, assign a public IP only if needed, and attach a storage account for persistent files, because planning these details prevents surprises later. Finish by enabling monitoring and cost controls. Create an Azure Monitor workspace, set alerts for high usage, and configure a cost budget to pause surprises. Then tighten security with role-based access control and managed identities so applications run without embedded secrets. Test your deployment end-to-end. If something breaks, check activity logs and resource health first, then confirm subscription quotas and region availability. If needed, redeploy small changes rather than big edits, which helps isolate and fix problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.